Hi, Paul again from EMD Automotive. Today, just finished putting the window regulator in. We've got the actual the second-hand motor in as well. That one there was faulty, and the window regulator was noisy as well. Might as well get it done before, because if it fails again in the future, you can rip the whole door again apart to do the same thing. So I've got a second-hand motor now in there. That's the original one was faulty. New window regulator. Repair all the harness. It's gonna fix all the wiring up. So with factory tapes here, put the wire there as well, nice and neat here as well. So before just wire hanging out everywhere, if you refer to the previous video. And then I put this back to normal. So before it was back to front, someone put that the other way, so now it's back to normal. That's how it should face. Before that part was here and that was there, the other way around. So yeah, alright, I'll show you how it works. So alright, I'll put it back together, but right now, Windows fixed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.